All right, guys, I'm gonna be unboxing the flight case for what they call it, G-Tour, for the DDJ1000, which is a mixer that I bought, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, those are all boxes that I gotta unbox. I have a toxic relationship with Amazon, but don't pay attention to that. This is the important one right now. And yeah, so it's a big box. Let me unbox it right now and see what's inside. Ooh, I really like the red. This flight case has wheels, so it's easier to carry. But let's keep unboxing. So here it is, unboxed and open. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. It was hard to take out of the box, but this is the flight case for my controller. It has this extra handle here besides the one on this side, if you want to carry it like that. But obviously I got this one because of the wheels, so if I'm carrying it, it's just easy to maneuver like that. So it's perfect. All right, so I also got it because it has this cool feature with like a laptop stand right here. This is what that bad boy is gonna go in right there. So this actually kind of goes in like that. So it slides in like that and then it goes out. So I'm gonna put the mixer in here next. Comes with these, packagings. So there's wiggle room. This will keep it more sturdier inside for traveling.